Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and a pair of tweezers. You may also need a heat gun or a soldering iron, depending on the extent of the damage. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the perimeter of the device. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the spudger to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover removed, locate the charging connector. It is usually situated near the battery. Inspect the connector for any visible damage or loose connections. If it appears broken, you will need to desolder it from the motherboard. If you're not comfortable with soldering, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. Once you have desoldered the old connector, take the new charging connector and align it with the solder pads on the motherboard. Carefully solder it in place, ensuring a solid connection. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without any hassle. After replacing the charging connector, it's time to address the GPU heatsink issue. Overheating can lead to performance problems, so it's crucial to ensure that the heatsink is properly secured. Look for any screws or clips that may have come loose. If you find any, tighten them using your Phillips screwdriver. If the heatsink is still loose, you may need to apply new thermal paste to ensure optimal heat transfer. Clean the old thermal paste off the GPU and heatsink using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Once the surfaces are clean, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the GPU. Spread it evenly before reattaching the heatsink. Make sure to secure it tightly, as this will help prevent overheating in the future. Before reassembling the laptop, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components. This can help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Use compressed air or a soft brush to gently clean the fans and vents. Now it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. Finally, power on the laptop and test the new charging connector. If everything is functioning correctly, you've successfully completed the repair. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about any further work needed. This repair not only saves you money, but also extends the life of your Asus UX530U. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.